Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you a really exciting update with Facebook where you could monetize your videos just like you could do on YouTube. So if you make videos and you only put it on YouTube, I want to show you why you should also consider Facebook. You can monetize both now. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media videos with over 400 videos on my YouTube channel, so please consider subscribing and I'll be posting them here. So if you want to consider checking out this page, facebook.com/Howfinity, I'll be posting some of these videos exclusively to this page now. So here's the plan. Go to your Facebook page. You need a business page for Facebook. So you obviously need this before you could get going. I have different videos on how to make a business page on Facebook, but let's assume you already have a business page on Facebook. This cannot be done on your personal page. Make sure you make a Facebook page like this. And then in this fan page, this business page, if you go to the home page and click Publishing Tool, so right here on their page, I go to Publishing Tool. You'll see all the videos, all the reaches. I have not been taking the Facebook platform seriously for growing organically, and I always used it for my other businesses to run ads. But check this out. Over here under Tools, under Publishing Tool here, but on the side, Creator Studio, press that, and it looks just like YouTube Creator Studio. You have monetization, you could upload videos, you have your sidebar to see all the things like analytics, under Insights, and you could access all your pages in one place under this drop down here. Is crazy. You could see all the posts that I recently just put up. Just in the last couple of days, I've been posting my videos just like this on Facebook, and I want to show you the monetization process. So here's the thing about Facebook. Let me go to this page, and I'll put a link in the description to this page too. But here is pulling out all my different pages on Facebook, and as you can see, they all have an X here. They're not eligible yet for monetization. It's very similar to YouTube. So for YouTube right now, you need 1,000 subscribers. Here, you need 10,000 followers. So 10,000 people have to like your page. Obviously, this page I don't use very much, and I'm only at 1% of the way. This other page, I'm at 15%, but I still got ways to go. In the last 60 days, you need 30,000 one-minute views. And videos have to be 3 minutes long. So these are some of the monetization standards that you'll need to work out before you can monetize on Facebook. But once you do, and in the meantime, I'm going to continue to upload these videos here to get to this goal. I'm not going to get to this goal if I don't do anything in the meantime and hope to get to this goal. So in the meantime, what we want to do is go here under Creator Studio and continuously upload videos the same way you grow on YouTube. So on YouTube, I have nearly 500 videos uploaded. So now I get millions of minutes watched per month. But to get to that point, I had to upload videos every single day for almost 2 years. So same thing here. We're going to go to upload videos. And here, I'm going to start uploading videos that I don't upload to YouTube. So I'm going to press single video here. I'll find a video I want to upload here. Here, go live on Instagram. That's the video I want to upload. I'll just have to press upload, choose a page. So here I have to choose a page. I have lots of pages. If you only have one, you don't have to worry about this step. I'll choose the Howfinity page. Now you just have to put in your title, your description, your tags, and your thumbnails. Exactly the same stuff as YouTube if you're used to YouTube, and you even have a playlist like YouTube. So let me go ahead and title this. And then after I put my title, I'm going to put my description. And for tags, I could do things like Instagram tutorial. And for playlist, I could go ahead and create a playlist. I'll call this one Instagram, for example, Instagram tutorials. Now I could choose that Instagram playlist here. And thumbnail, you could go ahead and change your thumbnail, or you could just click it and choose from what Facebook has. This is the same thing as custom images. That's the same thing as custom thumbnails, for example. Or you could choose a video frame, which is different than YouTube here. Or you could select from the auto-generated ones here. I'll go ahead and make a custom one just for this video. So I just finished making the thumbnail here, the custom image here for the cover of the video on Photoshop. So I'm going to now bring it into the Facebook Creator Studio. So here under custom thumbnail, I'm going to go ahead and add image. And this is the image that I saved. I'm going to go ahead and add it here. And it's that simple. Now I just have to press save. And here I could do publish now, premiere, schedule, all these things that are available with Facebook. And in this case, everything is set. I'm going to go ahead and press publish. And unlike YouTube, it actually doesn't publish right away if the video is not processed. So it's going to actually prepare and process the video. And once that's done, it's going to show up here. Again, my channel is not monetized yet. As I showed you, there are monetization requirements. So you have to check that. Again, I'll put a link in the description to this page where you could check your page. But these are some of the milestones you got to get to. So the best way really to grow the Facebook page to that point is continuously uploading videos, but running ads to these videos. That's the one thing that's different between YouTube and Facebook. It's really hard to grow organically on Facebook, where you could do that on YouTube with constant hustle. With Facebook is a little bit harder. So you could run ads and paid promotion to get Facebook likes here. And those are page likes that I'm talking about, not just buying likes to your videos. So there we go. Now the video is live and you could see it started to play instantly. So this video I'm going to keep off of YouTube for another few days, or maybe I won't even ever upload it to YouTube so I could grow my Facebook page so people that are watching my YouTube videos could check out these on Facebook as well. So a couple of things I wanted to show you here on the sidebar. So you have your home. That's where I was, where I could basically just go through my feed. I have my content library. So all the videos and all the posts that I ever put up here, they don't even have to be videos. Here's an image. Here's a link to YouTube. All of them have been published here, but only the ones that will eventually be monetized are the videos that you directly put here. And again, they have to be longer than 3 minutes and you have to be eligible for monetization, which I'm not at the time of this recording. So the ones that don't have this monetization icon, that means they can't be monetized. They're not actually videos here. And under Insight, you'll get some overview about your channel. And under monetization, again, you could see eligibility by channel, and you could see your payout settings once you are eligible for a payout. And you have your right manager, sound collection, preferences. That's the rest of them here that we won't focus on right now. But that's basically the overview of Creator Studio and monetizing your video right on Facebook. This is still just a few months old, so I'm going to make updated videos to this as I go. But that's the process of using Facebook Creator Studio and monetizing your videos eventually right on your Facebook pages. I hope you found this useful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you never miss the next social media video, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.